Here's my three MTD 990s. Here's the first one, more of a parts tractor. Got the snowblower on it. 16 horse. This one's got a rod knock. Missing the seat. A lot of damage. Steering wheel's bent. There's the old 16 horse cast iron Briggs. Missing the carburetor. Got the 3-point on back. This one did actually have the weights for the wheels. This is the second one. Pretty good shape. Repainted up real nice. Got the ag tires on back. 42-inch deck. Need to change that muffler. We got a front weight on there. Painted up pretty good. This one's got the 3-point on it also. Even had the engine painted on it. Pretty new voltage regulator on there. Newer starter generator there. Missing some decals from the paint job, but not too bad. Here's the third one with the blade. Not too bad. Had been rewired. Pretty nice job on there. Repainted most of it. The guy had a canopy over the top of it, which I might go ahead and remake a new one for it. This one's got the chains. I don't like the painted rims, they should be white. Decals on this one are pretty nice. The bad thing on this one is the console is broken on top. Let's put a piece of rubber on there instead. Not too bad a shape though. This one runs pretty good. It's got a little tranny leak though. And there's a couple of the decks, all 42s. I'm looking out for a rototiller for these. There they are, my three 990s.